So check us out here at MGMClassicCars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful cars for sale, financing available. We got them all stacked and ready, guys, all detailed. They will be going through service department as well to make sure that everything is up front. So check that out on all of our videos. Don't forget to check out our website at MGMClassicCars.com. We do have awesome, great financing available. That rates start at 6.99% as of today, November 18th, 2025. And let's get ready for the next photo shoot, guys, and the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Thomas here at MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. Today I have a 1967 Ford Mustang that just came in, and she is beautiful, guys. Great driver quality car that came in. Beautiful black on black. Don't see too many of them in black and black color combination. Don't know why. But anyway, this is a nice car, guys. Something significant about a 67 Mustang versus the 64 and a half, 65 and 66 is that this was the first significant redesign for the little pony car. A few key updates was the larger grille in the front. Okay. This grille is much larger than the 65 and 6 grills. Also, the side scoops came out in 67, right there. Okay, those sport side scoops, should I say, are just the first year of them coming out. What changed in 67 was the rear styling. Okay. The rear quarters and the entire rear end was redone. Upgraded interior in 67 as well. But what makes this thing a little bit more popular than the 5s and 6s for some reason, because they do sell a lot better and quicker. If you guys didn't know, they also increased the length of the car by 2 inches. The width is almost 3 inches wider than the previous years, and then the wheelbase is the same at 108-inch wheelbase there. So those are just things, if you didn't know, just an FYI, known fact type of thing that I like doing. This pony here, this thing has a 289 cubic inch Ford motor. V8, very nice. As you can see, the chrome Ford valve covers along with the air filter. They did a nice job with the aluminum radiator, painted block, water pump, alternator. Beautiful setup, guys. Upgraded with the aluminum radiator to keep it cool. Under the hood's been painted really nice. So, I mean, I would not be embarrassed to pop this thing open, definitely at a car show. 4-barrel carb, it's all tuned up. As you can see, the upgraded wheel and tire, American Racing package there. Dual exhaust sounds great on the car, guys. Inner outer door jams on this little pony. Both sides are in very nice condition. The factory pinch welds on the doors. Very nice car, guys. Suspension feels great on the car. We're going to be going for a test drive. Chrome trim, all good. Weatherstripping's all good on the car. Trunk is nice. You will see some photos there as well. The interior appears to be original appearance, but redone. As you can see, the beautiful bucket seats. The upgraded console for the Dunkin' Donuts coffee. So yeah. Factory center console as far as the shifter, not a full center console, but they added that one. So factory stock gauges and cluster as well, guys. Beautiful upgraded wooden steering wheel, nice back seats. Headliner is nice and tight, guys. So very nice all around. And I want to take this bad boy for a ride, man. All right, best part of the day. A few pumps. Sounds great, right? I love it. Let's go for a ride. Nice squeaky floors here at MGM. All right. So over here to my right, in this big brown building, that is 40,000 square feet of our indoor showroom. And we have lots of cars in the parking lot as well. This is our service department to the right and our detail shop as well, guys. So all of these cars, some are incoming, some of these cars to the right. All right. Are ready for sale or need to be shipped out. All of these to my left and right as well. This thing sounds really good. Horn functions, as you guys heard there. The wipers right now are inoperable. I will make sure that I take care of that. Let's see here. Heat defrost functions. Lights are all working. Okay. Horn functions, radio works. This is with auxiliary and Bluetooth, I believe. You can just plug that in. Turn signals all function there. All right, guys. We're ready. Oh, I'm glad I let that cop go. Two cops. Something's going on over there. But anyway, guys, we're gonna hit the streets here in a minute. Power steering feels great in this car. Brakes work great too. Yep. No squeaky noises going down the road. No weird sounds happening. That's 50 miles an hour. Trans shifts great, like it should. Out the brakes now, going from 40 to a complete stop, and they feel great. Sounds like a hot rod, man. All right, suspension time. Yep, suspension feels great on this thing, man. Wow, I'm really impressed. I am really impressed with that. Oh, the wipers do work. I hit the wrong button. What's wrong with me? Speedo functions as well. Beautiful car, guys. ready for the next home. If you need financing and if your score is like 630 to 770, you will need good credit, obviously, and 10% down. You will need about $3,500 down, okay, and good credit. You can roll in your sales tax, you can roll in your delivery charge, and you can roll in any option that you want. If you want a bigger stereo system, if you wanted air conditioning, stuff like that, we can roll all that into your loan amount. All you need is $3,500 down. Rates start at about 8%. You can find the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. No prepayment penalties. Long-term financing, you'll be surprised how cheap your payment can be. About $375 a month. That's as low as, okay? The longer term you go with, the higher your rate is, but that is a very low payment for this car. Keep that in mind. Now, if your score is 775 and higher, yeah, you can smoke the tires in this thing. If your score is 775 and higher, you will need to go. You will need to go directly to my lender's website. Okay, but I will need you to contact me first, and I'll give you that information. So if you're 775 and higher, rates start at 6.99%, up to an 84-month term, low payment, no prepayment penalty as well. Okay. We're gonna go here in the service department. I'm gonna put this car up on the lift and take some photos of underneath, guys. If you need delivery, please call or text me anytime. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.